This is a modern day hairstyle that I'm going to be breaking down for you. This is all about sophistication. This is something that actually makes the character and makes the individual the person that he is. This is a hairstyle that it's not about clippers or skin fades. It's all about leaving some length in the hair and being able to have pliability and workability. One of the biggest questions I always get is, how long should the front be? Well, as you can see here, with the hair fully dry, the length basically comes down to the bottom lip. If I were to hold this straight up in the air, you can see how much hair and how long that is. It'll simply just fall flat, and this is why you need layers if you don't want your hair to fall flat. What I'm showing you now is what happens when you pull hair straight out from the head and create some sort of layered shape. What that's going to do, it's actually going to help remove some of that weight. But also, as you can see, there is a longer length on top. When it comes to layering, the hair, when pulled forward, will travel back to that same point. It's very important to understand when you do want to have layers that you realize that when you pull your hair back, it's going to go forward or backwards at that one point. You could see here as another example. The only way you can get your hair to stay back and slick back is by having that length and having your hair long enough. If your hair is not long enough, it's simply going to stick straight out. And I know that is a big problem. Here's another example of how long the hair should be. When the hair goes forward, it's going to go back that same length. Now, the next part of this is understanding the back. The back really is a personal preference. You can have the back length longer in the nape area, or you can have it where it's a bit more tapered like this. Here is where I'm going in and showing you how you can move the hair around. This particular type of layer is more of a square layer shape, which means that the corners are left in the hair. That works for someone who has really, really thick hair that has a tendency to poof out and get very, very full and fluffy in those corner areas. If you want this haircut, I would say show this video to your hairstylist or your barber. And this is a haircut that I suggest going to a hairstylist for, unless your barber is really comfortable and works with shears very, very well. I hope you enjoyed this new type of content that I'll be posting, where it's more of a cinematic type of breakdown showcasing various hairstyles. If you're looking for any products to use, you can visit shop.TheSalonGuy.com, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.